Hey there, this is V and welcome to my lab. Today I'll show you how to run an AI agent that's very easy to configure. It will run mostly on your laptop with absolutely no cost. You're not going to even need to use your credit card to sign up for any kind of trial. We will do it with the two pieces of software today. It's going to be open source N8N version, community edition, and Gemini experimental model that is currently completely free of charge. All right. Let's go. The first piece of software that you're going to need is Docker. You can download Docker by going to docker.com. You'll find all the links below in the description. Click download Docker desktop and select the right version. If you're like me and you're on a Windows PC, most likely you're on Intel, which means that you will need the AMD 64 version right here. Now click and download. I have already got it installed. Just agree on the T's and C's. And what you should see is an application like this. Now over here, you don't need to sign in. Personal edition is perfectly fine. And in the search box, type N8N and press enter. What you'll find multiple versions of it, and the one that you need, the one that comes up on top from N8N.io/N8N. That's the official version of the container. All other versions, they come from third-party companies because this is open source software. Now next one, click run. What it will do, it will download the Docker container, will make it available on your local PC, and it will start configuring it for you. Next, what you see is run a new container, optional settings, and in the optional settings, let's put the port number 5678, just the same number that you see on the right hand side. You don't need to complete anything else unless you would like to, or you already know what you're doing. Now click run. In my case, it called Boring Shamir, the name of the container, which has absolutely no difference or impact. And over here at the end, it says that the container is now available on localhost 5678. You can click on that. Now we'll open a new default browser. This is your owner account. This is an account that you will use to log in into the application itself that will be running locally. This is not creating an account for you somewhere online. You don't necessarily submit your information anywhere else. This is for you to log into the application locally. I'll put my email address, my first name, second name, and I will go with already suggest a strong password, use one, click next. How best describes the company. In my case, quickly select other, IT. I am a business owner. I'm automating for other teams. How big is your company? Analytium is 90, and I'll go with other. Get started. Skip. And here we are. Now we can create our first flow. To create the first flow, we'll say, let's trigger the flow on the chat message, because that's how we would like to interact with it. And then the chat message, we will connect to advanced AI agent. We can leave settings as it is. And for the chat model, we're going to select Google Gemini chat model. And over here, in chat model, we will need to configure a new credential. The next website that you're going to need to go to is Google AI Studio to get your Google API key. You open aistudio.google.com, create API key, select a Google project, and generate an API key. Don't worry about this key. I will delete it before I publish the video. Now click copy, save. It will do the test for us. You can select any model you like. Experimental models are the ones that are free mainly, but so is some other models at the moment as well. So I'll go for 1.5 flash. I'm gonna need to save this. Come out. All right, and now we're ready to test. Say hello world. And there you go. And you have a local software that's talking to your completely free LLM. It's free right now. It will probably be charged later on. That's running locally on your PC. If you like what you saw, subscribe to the channel, press the bell for further notifications, stay in touch as I will be showing how to integrate additional tools and additional capabilities into this AI agent.